How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix the no audio on your LG UltraGear QHD monitor. So the first thing that you want to do is to actually head over to the side toolbar. In here, you want to click on the audio icon, select on this setting or sound output, and just make sure that you have selected your monitor as an audio output. So therefore, Windows will then go ahead and output the audio from the monitor itself. Now from there, we have to make sure that we turn up the volume right here. So just make sure that it's turned up. And then next, you want to head over to your OSD controls. Now it's going to be this one right here. You want to head over to the sound setting by navigating using your OSD controls. Now it's going to be the joystick below your monitor, which is going to be right here. And then you will be able to see this OSD, which is the on-screen display setting. Look at the sound setting. Just make sure once again that the sound output is turned up and not muted. And from there, you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.